conference will now be recorded.
So we are talking about machine interface, right? Yeah, hello guys. So what was the last topic we have discussed?
సారీ మ్యూట్లో ఉన్నాను. మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్. ఆ పుష్ బటన్‌ది.
So we are talking about. So first page has been
పుష్ బటన్.
completed. We are talking about the second page, right? Once we got login, right? So have you tried? Anyone have tried these things? So for executing this project or something else, anyone has tried? So we have
నో
discussed
సార్.
about login page, right? So how your component is going to be working here? The example is dialog box. We have taken dialog box here, right? How dialog box is going to be working over here, and how to use them in regular pages like login page. So login page means you're going to import. So there is a keyword called import, like your hash include, there will be a import, and we are going to include this directory here. Components is there, right? This component folder should be imported here. Then we can use these QML pages in other QML pages. Okay, in other QML pages. Okay, so once it is done, so now it is going to this items home, right? So here only, right, we are going to we have seen that so when we click on this, okay, so when we you can see here, right? So when my mouse pointer is going over there, so you can see it is getting highlighted, right? It is getting highlighted, right? So how that is going to be achieved in QML? Actually we can achieve that using QML. So we can that is going to be achieving how this is going to be achieved in this QML. You can see in items home, items homes.qml, items homes dot items home.qml. Okay, so you can see here there are four items are there: coca-cola.png, thumbsup.png, sprite.png, and fanta.png, right? So what how your list model is going to be working here? First of all, list model, what is list model? Okay, so have you heard about maps in qt qt widgets? I asked you to write about stl, right? Standard template library. Okay, I asked you to write a standard template library, right? How many of you have done that? If you done that, you can hear about maps over there. Okay, you can hear about maps over there. Okay, so what is going to be happened in that maps? Okay, so there will be a key and there will be a value over there. Okay, what is going to be have there? So there will be a key and there will be a value here. So here grid name is going to be the key, grid image is going to be the value here. Okay, grid name is going to be the key and grid name is going to be a value, list element. In list model, there we can have multiple list model, list elements can be having. We can maintain multiple list elements here in a single list model. We can maintain a multiple list elements. In each list element there will be a key and there will be a value. In each list element there will be a key and there will be a value here. Okay, so this is how we are going to generate your list model. We can create a list model here. Here also you can see large, small, medium. Again, large dispensing, medium dispensing, small dispensing. This is your large, small, medium. Okay, so this is going to be um, here you can see here, right? Just a wait. Here you can see, right? So these all are going to be highlighted, and you are going to see here these three items are going to be, these three images is going to be in background, right? These three images is going to be in background, right? So this is also an image, this is also an image, this is also an image. Actually these three are the images actually. Okay, so those three images are hidden images. Hide data is the right. These are the images of this hidden data, and this is the normal data. Okay, normal images. So let me change this um, screen width and height to not this available desktop width and height. I'm going to make it as 480 into 800 is the fixed width and height of this project. Okay, 480 into 800 is the fixed width and height of this project. Okay, so now coming to this item home. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to display in a grid way, right? That is nothing but a grid model. Okay, we have to display them in a grid model, right? So that uh, for that what we have to take, so there will be a rectangle box and everything is going to be common here. Let me start. So this is the main program. So this is the functionality, whether we are going to clicking or not on timer completed. So these all are the, let me minimize and let me minimize all these things. It's the component list model, component. This is also a component. This is also a component list model. So this is your main rectangle. Okay, so this is your normal rectangle. You're going to take, you have taken rectangle. In that rectangle we are going to set width and height over there, and for width and height there will be a, we have to give the background color. Okay, so we are going to take in here a screen width and so first of all you can see here. So this is the second page you are going to design over there. So you already looked about this page, right? How it is going to be look like. So the output page should be, sorry, this is going to be reverse, I think so. Sorry guys, some problem with my system. I think so. It is not responding.